So Good Recipes. The manual, which collects all the recipes published in each issue of So Good, has become the ideal complement to our magazine. The first volume continues being a success today. And to accompany it, now comes So Good Recipes Volume 2, with all the recipes published from issue number 9 to number 16 of So Good magazine. You can now enjoy a new version of your favorite tool to expand your knowledge, innovate, and encourage your creativity. Mousses, sponge cakes, glazes, fillings, compotes, all the pastry creations, duly classified to be found easily. With all the formulas always signed by the worldwide famous chefs who make every So Good issue come true. You decide whether to search according to the type of creation, chef, or the main ingredient used. If you already like the first edition, this second volume has 50% more content, 330 pages, more than 1,600 recipes, and 150 chefs. What are you waiting for? Get So Good Recipes Volume 2 now.